Hi, Ed Akehurst, and we are back with our Genius Pages training. I'm inside the dashboard. You'll usually be on the Sites area, but we're going to go to Settings, and in this video, we're going to walk you through setting up Zapier and integrating it with Genius Pages. If you've never done this before, there will not be a token in here. You'll just need to click the green Generate Token. Once you've integrated with Zapier, do not change that token, okay? You can generate a new one. I'll do one now. But once you've actually integrated with Zapier, do not change that. And then hit Copy Token so that it will copy that string. And then click this Zapier Invite URL. You just want to click on that, and it'll open Zapier and let you know that you've been invited to use Genius Pages. You can scroll down to this orange button, Accept Invite, and build a Zap, and it will start allowing you to use that particular function, the Zapier function for Genius Pages. I'm not going to actually build a Zap. This video is only to do the integration itself. We will do another video on how to actually use the Genius Pages Zapier integration. If you have any questions on this, please reach out. We'll be more than happy to work with you.